Hey there, my name is Eric and I'm a service advisor here at Windsor Mazda. And today we're going to go over some top tricks and tips that every Mazda owner should know. Have you recently purchased a new Mazda but are wondering how to take care of it? Windsor Mazda has the answers for you. Taking care of your Mazda vehicle is important not only for your safety, but also for your wallet. Poor vehicle maintenance is a sure way to end up having to replace expensive parts or having to replace the vehicle itself. Let me give you 5 tips that all Mazda owners should know. First, the best thing to do is to set up a schedule for your routine service maintenance. Once you have it penciled into your seasonal schedule, you'll know when you need to go for checkups, tire rotations, detailing, and other items. Second, never ignore the check engine light. While it might not seem important, the warning light is there to tell you something is wrong. It never hurts to get your vehicle checked out. Keeping an eye on these simple things will save you money in the long run before bigger problems arise. Third, change your oil regularly. You will have a mileage indication on your oil light that will come on when the oil needs to be changed. Don't ignore them. Changing your oil will extend the life of your engine by keeping it clean and fresh. Old oil begins to clog the engine and doesn't run as smoothly. Fourth, check your tires. These are the most important parts of your vehicle. They have direct contact with the road, and they are what keeps you and your Mazda vehicle running smoothly. Make certain that there aren't any punctures or leaks. Also, watch the treads. If they start to get low, it's time to change the tires. One other thing is the tire rotations. This means that we switch the tires around so they will even out and wear consistently. This helps extend the life of your tires as well. Lastly, the 5th thing to do, check your brakes. Like your tires, your brakes are some of the most important things in your vehicle. Having your brakes routinely checked and changed will make your vehicle run better and longer. You will have the brake pads and discs changed regularly. All of these tips are what we know will help you extend the life of your Mazda vehicle. If you have any questions or need to schedule an appointment for your vehicle, visit Windsor Mazda. Thank you.